Welcome back to CAD 101. So far, we've been building my model rocket together step by step in Fusion. Those videos were meant to teach you the tools, the workflow, and the thinking behind the design. Now that you've learned the basics, it's time for you to create your own. Your next project is going to be to design your own model rocket in Fusion. Your rocket needs the same parts: a nose cone, a body tube, an inner body tube, and tail fins. Feel free to add more, but at least those four minimum. Before you start modeling, you need to do some research on real rocket designs so you can get ideas for those shapes, proportions, fins, color schemes, etc., etc. Then you're going to build your own original version. Make it look realistic, use proper materials, colors, and make design choices that feel intentional. For your final submission, you'll turn in a typical 3-slide presentation using our standard format, plus a 4 to 8 second Fusion animation of your rocket. If you need help at any point, go back through the rocket playlist and use the step-by-step videos. They cover the exact parts and skills you need for this project. Review what you need, apply it to your own design, and then keep moving forward. I look forward to seeing what you create.